Hey everyone, it is Andrea. I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. I will also have the Cyber Monday mystery reveal up for y'all this week. But let's go ahead and get into the releases because I'm really excited. We have 2 new exclusive art sets and a Valentine's Day set, though I think you could use both of these for Valentine's and it'd be super cute. A foil bundle and then the color of the week, which is probably the most requested one that we've had, and then some Valentine's Day doodles. So let's go ahead into the color of the week first, which is black. It's like a dark charcoal. So it is the normal 7 pages. So you have page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, super neutral, and you can use these with basically any kit, but I think would look super cute with the kits coming out this week. So that is the color of the week. It is available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Monday. Then let's go into the new doodles. So this starts on $3.83 because last week we did release, I believe, 12 new doodles versus the 10 we normally do. So here is Valentine's Day sampler number 1. Super cute, very usable color scheme. Valentine's Day sampler number 2. And then you have some cakes here. I'll let you read it. And this is in like a Valentine's Day colorway. Some phones, again in like pinks, purples, a gray, a black, nail polish, bows, some hearts, and then kiss marks, which are super cute, again in the same colorway for all of those, besides the first 2 being in a more muted colorway. So those are the new doodles for this week. The next item here is the foil bundle for this week, which is perfect for Valentine's week. So cute. So this is in a sparkly red foil in the heart format. So you do have the page here with the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays. You have 2 of those. 2 of the bougie box page, the scripts and the icons, as well as the bottom washi, fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. And then there is also the matte sampler if you want to add that on. That's only available from Wednesday to Monday, and that has the red glitter, so you can see it a little bit better. Pull out my phone, but this would look so pretty with all of the kits this week. Ugh, I just am obsessed. So that is the foil bundle for this week. Again, it is in the heart format and it is a sparkly red foil. Let's go into the first kit here, which is the only art that is not exclusive, but it's so pretty, and it is called Heartbreaker, and I am so in love with this. Okay, let's go through it. Hold on. Let me get all the pages together. All of these kits come in Ultimate and Mini for this week. So here are the full boxes. I already did sneak this on Instagram. I think it looks so cute with all of the heart confetti all scattered around. I love these fashion options and the scene and this like deep red accent. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini are these like manicured hands, which are super cute, and you have the mid skin tone color over here as well on the washi page. And the washi page is the same in the ultimate and the mini kit. So you have the full boxes, the half boxes, the solid labels, pattern labels, the boxes with the extra box. You have the cat and then a cloud tote with some flowers, glitter headers, the deco page, and then the bottom washi, which is so pretty. There is options if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which I think is a really cool contrast with the bottom washi. And then let's go through the other add-on options as well. So there is the label sampler if you want to add that on, as well as the 2 different fashion options. You have the first fashion option here, and then the second one I did do like fashion hair colors. So they are the 4 different colors in the kit, which I think turned out super, super cute. Especially love this dark red one here. So that is Heartbreaker. Let's go into the next kit here, which is one of my exclusive Valentine's Day collections for this year. And I am obsessed. And I'm so excited to show you. So let's go into it. So here she is. It is called Till Death, and I am just so in love with this. So I want to do some like a vampy kind of spookier Valentine's Day kit with purple and red, and it is exclusive art by Katniss Jess, and like she nailed it. I love all the rose petals, the purples, the makeup, the cake. It's just so, so, so good. And again, this is one of our exclusive Valentine's Day collections. You have the tall box over here. These colors are everything. It's just such a fun kit, and I think it's so different but still very like Valentine's Day vibes. I feel like you could also use it other times, like an anniversary, a wedding. Pattern labels, the bottom washi, and then you have the extra box here, which you do have the extra skin tone options as the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. And again, this is called Till Death, and I am so in love with it, and I cannot wait to use it. I just think it's such a pretty kit. It's definitely unique, but still has those Valentine's romantic vibes, and I am so ready to use it. And again, it does also come in a mini kit. Let me show you the add-on options. You have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. You have the label sampler, and then there is also the fashion options if you want to add those on as well. And they're just so cute. I love the purple hair. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is Till Death. And I also want to mention that my friend Maggie, I don't think I'm going to have a picture for this one. I'll text her in a minute and see if I can get it. I am filming this like late Sunday night. But she's going to have her, I don't know if I have it anywhere. She had a mystery that had like blood themed foil, and she's going to be bringing it out in red to match that set. So if you follow her on Instagram, she has releases on Thursday, and I'm pretty sure she's going to be putting that up this week. If not next, just follow her. So a red blood splattery kind of vibe. So definitely check that out. Let's go into the next kit, which I think you could use for February or Valentine's Day, or you could use it basically anytime. And I wanted to do a Ratatouille kit. So here it is. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go through this. This kit is everything. I just love like magical inspired kits. They're so cute. And this one is no exception. Exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I am just obsessed with all of it. I love all of the food. Y'all know I'm a food person. If you watch my Plan With Me's, I basically talk about food for 90% of it. And Ratatouille is just all about food. And whenever I was doing the mood board for this and writing down all of the things that I wanted the artist to draw, I was so hungry, and I'm so hungry right now just like looking at all of this. It just all looks so delicious, and I love these colors. You have your extra full boxes over here in the ultimate. These colors are so pretty. They're just very like chill colors. I do think this would be really cute for Valentine's if you want to do something that's not like super lovey-dovey, but still like, you know, kind of like romantic, because it has like the Paris vibes. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the like Eiffel Tower scene, which is super cute as a tall box, and I am just obsessed with this. I think it's so cute. It also reminds me of Kirsten because she does love Ratatouille as well. I think it would also be really cute if you're going to like Food and Wine, or just Disney in general, or if you are just having like a movie watching weekend with some Disney movies. So you have your extra full box there. So that is the ultimate kit. Again, you have the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate. It is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. I have been doing a lot of mood boards for the future, just because I know I'm going to be busy because I'm going to be having a baby like within the next 2 weeks. But I have so many good kits coming this year. So many like themes that I've never seen any shop or any artist do like for planner art. And I am so excited because I'm just doing it, and it's going to be so fun. And this is like one of them that I was like really excited about. Jess is working on one for me right now. I'm super excited about, and I have my other artists working on. It's all so good. 15mm strip if you want to add it on, label sampler if you want to add it on, and then also fashion options if you want to add these on as well. I just wanted to do kind of like a random fashion figure in this one. So that is everything for this week. Again, all of these new releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern as per usual. I'm really excited about this week's new releases because they're all just so dang cute, and I'm going to be using all of them. Like, it's 100%. I also have been filming a lot, so you guys will have some videos coming. I just finished my Thanksgiving spread, and hold on. I also want to mention I made an executive decision. And I split my planner into 2 planners for this year, for 2021. This is just January through June, which is just wild. But it was getting so hard to close it. So I decided to split them into 2 different planners. But I just finished my Thanksgiving spread, and it's so pretty. It's probably, I would say my favorite Thanksgiving spread ever, just saying. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. But I'm just so excited. I love Christmas spreads, but I also really love Valentine's spreads. And also we have exclusive art coming out for Avery's birthday that I think turned out really cute. And I think a lot of y'all are going to have a need for, or something that you can keep on hand for, you know, whenever you need it. But that'll be coming soon. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next video.